Welcome to my smart home. On our Smart Home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your York boiler with Alexa allows you to manage your home heating system more easily and efficiently using smart home technology. First, make sure your York boiler is compatible with a smart thermostat. With a compatible thermostat, you can control the temperature settings of your boiler via voice commands using Alexa. To start the setup process, first connect your thermostat to the boiler and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Then, download the mobile app for the thermostat and add the device to the app by creating an account. Afterward, download the Amazon Alexa app and log into your account. Go to the Skills section in the Alexa app, search for the thermostat's skill, and enable it. Once your thermostat account is linked to your Alexa account, Alexa will recognize your device and start discovering devices. After the connection is established, you can give Alexa commands like, "Alexa, set the temperature to 22 degrees," or "Alexa, turn off the boiler." This way, you can control the temperature of your boiler remotely, adjust the warmth in your home, and save energy. This system enhances both comfort and energy efficiency, improving your quality of life. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.